Hey guys, this is how to cancel Facetune subscription. So guys, watch till the end as I discuss a guide for Apple users as well. I will show a step-by-step guide on the left side. So first one is just simply go to your Google Play Store and tap on the profile icon on the top right corner of the screen. And after that, just simply tap on payments and subscriptions. And now from here, just simply tap on subscriptions. And after that, just simply tap on the Facetune that you are subscribed with. And after that, you should be able to see down below, cancel a subscription, tap on that. And from here, just make sure to provide the reason why you are canceling your subscription and just simply tap on continue and just simply tap on a cancel subscription. And from there, you should be able to cancel it. So guys, remember that you can continue using the app until the original subscription end date. And guys, remember that deleting the Face app application will not cancel your subscription. So subscription renew automatically unless you cancel them manually. And there you go. If this video was helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just simply comment down below and I will do my best to answer it. And there you go. See ya.